Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something super exciting and so trendy to talk about: Barbie home decor. If you have been keeping an eye on the latest interior design trends, you might have noticed a playful and nostalgic wave taking over the design world. What better way to embrace it than by infusing your space with iconic Barbie style we all know and love? Barbie has been an influential figure for decades, inspiring countless generations with her fabulous fashion, vibrant colors, and chic lifestyle. Now it's time to bring that magic into your home decor. Let's explore how to embrace the Barbie aesthetic and create a space that has fun and stylish as our favorite fashionista herself. Bold and playful colors. Barbie is all about bold pink, purples, blues, and sparkles. Incorporate these vibrant hues into your decor through accent walls, furniture, cushions, accessory, and and match different shades to create an eye-catching, playful look. Glamorous furniture is the most important thing. Barbie's dream house will always feature stylish and elegant furniture. Opt for chic velvet sofas, mirrored coffee tables, and sleek acrylic chairs to add a touch of glam to your living space. Sparkling accessory is also very important. Every Barbie fan knows that a little sparkles goes a long way. Add shimmering chandeliers, sequin throw pillows, and glittery wall art to give your home a dose of Barbie signature glitz. Now that you have got the basics of Barbie style, let's take it step further and explore some Barbie themed rooms that will leave you feeling nostalgic and amazed. Barbie glam dressing room. Create a dressing room fit for a fashion icon. Add a full length mirror with Hollywood style lights, a Barbie inspired vanity with makeup organizer, and a clothing rack. Display your most stylish outfits. Barbie's dream room. Transform your bedroom into dreamy space. Use a canopy bed with sheer curtains, Barbie themed bedding, and decorative pillows featuring her iconic logo. Barbie's chic living room. Bring Barbie's chic living room to life with plush pink sofas, a marble coffee table, and elegant flower arrangements. Don't forget to include Barbie inspired artwork on the walls. Creating trendy Barbie home decor doesn't have to break the bank. Let's explore some creative and affordable DIY projects that will add personal touch to your space. Barbie wall art. Design your own Barbie inspired wall art using canvases, paint, and Barbie stencils. Express your creativity and let your inner artist shine. Barbie shelf display is very important. Turn ordinary shelves into a Barbie display paradise. Gather your favorite Barbie dolls, fashion accessories, and tiny furniture pieces to create a whimsical scene. Barbie flower pots. Give your planters a Barbie makeover with some pink paint and fun stickers. These cute flower pots will add a touch of Barbie charm to your indoor garden. There you have it, trendy Barbie home decor ideas that will surely make your space pop with personality and style. Embrace the spirit of Barbie and let your imagination run wild as you create a home that as vibrant and fabulous as you are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit to the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay fabulous and happy decorating. Thank you.